Here we will see variable handling functions in PHP. PHP variable handling functions are the inbuilt PHP library functions that enable us to manipulate and test PHP variables in various ways. Different variable functions are: first is bool_val. This function returns boolean value of a defined variable. That is, it will return true or false. Empty function is used to check if the defined variable has empty value. Float_val function is used to return the float value of a defined variable. GetDefinedVar function is used to return all the defined variables as an array. GetType function returns the type of the variables defined. IntVal function returns integer value of the defined variable. IsArray function is used to check if the defined variable is an array. IsBool function is used to check if the defined variable is boolean. IsCallable function is used to check if the data in the variable can be called as a function. IsCountable function is used to check if the data in the variable is countable. IsFloat function is used to check if the variable defined is an float. IsInt function is used to check if the variable defined is of type integer. IsNull function checks if the variable has null value. IsNumeric function is used to check if the defined variable is numeric or a numeric string. IsString function is used to check if the defined variable is of type string. IsSet function is used to check if a variable is declared and set. PrintR function is used to represent or print the data of a variable into a readable format. SetType function is used to set a variable into a specific type. strval function is used to return a string value of a variable. Unset function is used to unset a variable. Var export function returns structured information about a variable.